Oh, how's it going, everyone?
Hi.
So I got Mr. Lucas the beekeeper here with me. He is going to be helping us install the packages for the AZ hives. So there is one of the packages. We installed this one. The queen's in there, so we haven't put all the frames in here yet. We're gonna let them kind of build into there. Those are the little back doors. We'll let them get settled though, and then we'll show you how we done it. It's pretty simple. It's just the same thing as a laying straw. So what we have to do is take these metal bars out, and this is the metal bars that the frames sit on. And so when we're putting the new frames in, they'll slide across these. So we want to do that. And this is the feeder, so we will feed them, get food on them for sure. And then here is one of the packages. We're also going to be installing some in these laying straws. We just use a simple, you can use sugar syrup or water to come in here, spray the bees down a little bit. It just makes it where they're not flying all over the place, and they're easier to install that way. So we do that. These packages arrived really well, healthy. So there we go. We'll spray them down. All right, now give it a tap, Lucas. Knock them down. And then what we do is we take that, knock them all down from the top. There you go. We'll give it another spray. No, clean everybody up and stuff. Again, it just helps with so they're not flying all around. And then we just take a hive tool and we get this little lid up. There we go. And here, if you want to hold it, and then come in here. This is their food jar. Come in here and take this little food jar out. And then the queen is right here. She's in this box. And they got some comb built on there. That's nice. And we just remove that comb. It's no big deal. And come in here and check for the queen. Make sure she's alive. She's right there. So she is good. She's good to go. We remove this. And we'll put her down here in the shade. And then, all right, bud, let me see this. Okay, so take your package. Let me get over here. All right, now shake them in there. So knock them down one more time like that. Get them knocked down in the bottom, and then he's just going to turn them over and he's going to shake them right on top of there. So you're just dumping them in there, just like that. Pile of them. There's a pile in there. We just keep shoving them down. And since they're wet, they kind of just pile up there. And they'll move down. They'll situate themselves up and everything. And there's an entrance down there at the bottom that they can get in. So when they do fly out here or get in the bottom up here, they can get up into the hive. But again, we're not going to put these two walls up yet, and they'll be able to have this whole access. And then the frames, if you watch the other video, the frames are going to be a lot of foundationless, but we have it staggered, so we have a foundationless, foundation, foundationless, foundation, and stuff. And then that way it will help. Let's see. Alright, and so now what we'll do is we kind of remove this little thing here holding this in so we can get the queen cage in between two frames. So you just unscrew these little things. Now, I don't like that these are plastic. I wish they were metal. I think it would be better instead of plastic, but so we'll just kind of drop that down a little bit, just like that. And you can see those, that's how they're in there. They're held on by those little pegs, these little pegs right here. That's for the spacer. And then move some of these bees out of the way. See, so when they're wet, they just don't move around very good, so they're not, I mean, there's plenty flying, but we're not getting in a whole bunch of them. And then what we did was I just kind of went right here in the middle, and I dropped our queen cage in here, just like so. Oops, I need to hold on. So there's that cork right there, so let's pull that out. Alright, so we got that little cork out. So on the candy end, that side's a direct release, so you don't want that. And I always install them where the candy end is upside down. And so again, we just go right here in the middle. Hang it right there on that little bar. And alright, hold this. Oh, shoot. Alright. Try that again. So getting this little thing, this is going to be something you're getting used to. So we have to line them up like that. Probably doesn't help that we're trying to video it as well. And then you put that little thing in there. Yeah, I got this. Put that little thing in there. And then we'll tighten it down. And that keeps them all contained in there. There's always going to be some dead ones in the packages, so don't worry about all that. They'll be all right. This part goes down right here. So this is it comes with the Barrero tray. So that's a Barrero tray right there. And that's the screen right there. So see, these are the dead ones and stuff that's fallen down through here. So it comes with the screen just like that. You put it down under here, so all of that stuff does move in and out. And then this part goes, I believe it's like kind of right there to seal it up just like that. And then these are, again, the little rods will go back in there, and we'll probably do that tomorrow. We'll show that. And then if you want some ventilation, so these little tops right here, and they fold down, and also the bottom, it folds down, so for ventilation right there. Or once you have all three of these little screens on right here, so there is 3 little compartments, and then you can take this door off, and that will be like if we're going to move it and stuff. So this isn't going to be its permanent location, it's just set up for right now. But we are going to build a bee shed back here and get that stuff going. So we'll let them get all in. We'll come back in and check it in about 3 days to make sure they release that queens and stuff. And then well, that's how we're doing the AZ Hive install. We're looking forward to getting her up and running. And then again, these little things will just, they kind of just sit like that. And then the third one is a non-feeder one. It is a non-feeder one, and it goes right here on the top just like that when we get the frames all in here, and then they'll stay. So you can see lots of ventilation if your thing is ventilation, or if you're trying to move them. But it does come with 2 feeders, and then the top one, and then it does have a queen excluder right there that goes in. You can use it or not use it. We will use it because we'll just run it exactly like how we run ours as a single. So we'll keep the brood down here in the food box, and then this will be our super up here. So we'll get them drawn out, but really looking forward to getting these going and doing some pretty cool little things with it actually. So we got a little bit other stuff planned for it down the road, so we'll see how that all goes. But we'll let them get situated in here, and but that's how we installed the AZ packages, get them going, and like I said, we will get food on them. All right, you'll be keeping it real out there. We will catch you on the next one.